Hi everybody, this is Free PC Restore and my name is Kashi. Welcome to my video channel, and I hope you can find lots of information regarding your own computer and how you can restore it for free here. Anyway, in this series of videos I will talk regarding different subjects such as restoring your computer to manufacturer setting or to an earlier point, or how you can repair it when you are facing some problems. And definitely it has happened for majority of us that when we are in middle of something and in a second our computer or laptop it get frozen or shut down, and even without showing us any sign of the problems. So we will go through these steps one by one, but first we should know that what is the aspects or hardware, or what is in fact inside your computer, and really which part is which, and what they do, and how all of them are connected to each other. Of course, I'm not going to go in details about those aspects, but knowing about them will help you to improve your skills a bit and be able to restore your computer for free. Regarding operating system, my main attention is on a Windows system, and as you know, unfortunately Microsoft is going to stop support for Windows 7 on 2020, so I will more have to focus on Windows 10. Of course, it doesn't mean that I won't mention about other Windows operating system, as one of part of the job is to compare these operatings with together and show you in other system where you can find the same connection that is doing the same job. But the main thing about humans, I mean, behave, is that majority of us, we are a bit scared to play around with our computer or try to test some new things on them, and because more we are thinking, we haven't got enough knowledge to do this sort of things, and or to do some changes and making it better, and still there is this option that we make more damage rather than making it better. And because I want to go step by step with you through this process, I will use some sort of visual machines that in fact they are some sort of software or applications that you will install on your main computer, and then through those visual machines we will start our journey in Windows operating systems. And to be honest, majority of the software developers or programmers, they will use visual machines for a lot of different reasons. First of all, to test their own program and application, and if something goes wrong, they won't lose their own main system, or if there is any bug or virus on their program, it won't harm their own main system. Or by using some sort of desktop capture and recording software applications, they can record everything on that visual machine. And as well me, I'm using myself for majority of these videos. I'm gonna use the visual machine for installing, testing, comparing different operating system, and to show you that exactly what is going on in Windows. So let's dig in and start our journey in the computer world. But first of all, we need to find a visual machine application that we can download and install it for free on our computer. Of course, there are lots of different visual machines like VisualBox, VMware Workstation, Windows Visual PC, Hyper-V, Parallels Desktop, and go on. But me myself, I'm using Visual VMware Workstation, but because it is a bit costly and maybe it doesn't work that you start with that, so for a start I think the VirtualBox gonna be the best option. And VirtualBox is a free application and open source, so easily and without any problem you can download it and install it on your computer. But how and from where can we download this software? Okay, the first things that you should do is to open your web browser. Some people are using Internet Explorer. If you are using Windows 10, then it's gonna be Microsoft Edge, and some people Firefox. Other ones like me, I'm using Chrome. And by clicking on that and going to through the internet, just write down on your search engine VirtualBox, and it will take you to search results. And as you can see here, this is the main one that we do need. And when we click on this one, we were going to this website on the top, and when you scroll down you can see that it says download VirtualBox. Of course, for creating this sort of because I have created some of them already, so if you scroll down you can see that there is one section, it says VirtualBox older builds, and by clicking here, if you are interested, you can use the older versions of the VirtualBox. And again, when I click here, it takes me to this page, and it is regarding 5.2 VirtualBoxes. Here you can see different for different operating systems like the Windows, OS X hosted and Solaris, and then Ubuntu, Debian, and Fedora, and other stuff. But because I'm using Windows, so I'm gonna click on a Windows. And when I click here, is up to your the browser. It will show that is downloading the file. Say Firefox, it will show it here that is downloading, but mine, because it's Chrome, it comes here on a bottom of the Chrome, and it is showing that it's downloading the file for me. And when the download is complete, then I will run the application, and it's one of the best VirtualBoxes that you can find for free through the internet. Okay, and here we got our VirtualBox, and it's gonna be ready, and now it's ready and downloaded. Of course, download time is up to your internet connection speed. Here, when I click or left click, I got two options. One of them is showing folder, that this is our download, and this is one option. And if you choose this option for running this application, you need double click it. And other option is just, if I go here and say just open, and it will start running itself, and just I will go through the installation. I will choose run and it will start showing me the wizard for installation. Hopefully, let me bring this one down. Okay, welcome to, just if you are a new user, you don't need to do any changes in those settings, and just or where you're keeping the program, just click next and go forward without doing any changes, and install. Of course, during installation um, all that visual machines like this, they will ask you regarding installing their own USB drivers or network connection drivers or other drivers that is necessary for running them, because this visual machines is universal serial bus. It is regarding the chipset, because this sort of visual machines, they are using your own network adapter and USBs, so you are able to connect them all together. And again, install, and when it's finished, just you're gonna click the finish, and here it says start my visual box. Of course, I don't know when you are watching this video and after installing your visual box, how yours look like, but mine is like this one. And that's it, job done, and we have installed the visual box here. And in the next section, next video, I'm gonna talk more regarding the how you can and from where you can download Windows 10, because as I said, our attention is more regarding the Windows 10 and what we can do. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Thanks.